In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-post to Facebook from Make.com. We'll walk through building a simple automation that takes content from a source you already use and publishes it directly to your Facebook page. By the end, you'll have a reliable workflow that saves time and keeps your audience engaged without manual posting. Start by opening Make.com and creating a new scenario. This is your automation canvas. When the canvas opens, you'll see an empty space where we'll chain together the steps of your workflow. Think of it like connecting building blocks, a trigger that supplies content, followed by Facebook handling the post. Next, add your trigger. This is where your content will come from. You can choose Google Sheets, Airtable, or Notion, whichever holds your posts. Pick the trigger that detects new or updated content, like a new row in a sheet or a new record in a base. Make sure your source has the fields you'll need, such as the post text and, if applicable, an image or video URL. Now add the Facebook Pages module. Click the plus button on the canvas and search for Facebook Pages. This is the destination module that will publish to your page. Connect Facebook by selecting. Add next to the connection field. Sign in and grant the requested permissions. Ensure the Facebook account you use has the proper role for the page you want to post to. Otherwise, the module won't be able to publish. Choose your posting action. If you're sharing text only, select Create a Post, Text. For images, choose Create a Photo Post, Images, and for videos, select Create a Video Post, Videos. Pick the one that matches the content you plan to send. For media posts, make sure your image or video URL is accessible and stable so Facebook can fetch it. Select the Facebook page where the post should appear. Double-check you're choosing the right page if you manage more than one. Map your content from the trigger to the Facebook module. Drag the text field into the message or caption area. If you're posting an image or video, map the appropriate URL field. Keep captions clear and concise so your audience understands the post at a glance. Run a test by clicking Run Once. Add a sample item to your source and confirm the post appears on your page. If something looks off, review the mapping and module output to fine-tune. Finally, save and enable the scenario. From now on, whenever your trigger fires, Make.com will auto-post to your Facebook page. Monitor your first few runs to ensure everything is consistent. Thanks for watching.